Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 8 Best Automatic Espresso Machine in 2024.
Top 1.
Philips Series 4400 Fully Automatic LatteGo Espresso Machine, SilentBrew Technology, Quick Start. Aromatic coffee from freshly ground beans, 12 hot and iced drinks, Black Chrome, EP 4444/90. Drink variety, enjoy 12 different coffee varieties, from hot espressos to cool iced coffees, each designed for delicious and consistent flavors, whether hot or cold. One-touch LatteGo frothing, effortlessly make silky smooth milk froth, even with plant-based alternatives, using our powerful cyclonic frothing technology with just a touch. Enhanced flavor and aroma, elevate your coffee with the Philips Series 4400, featuring 100% ceramic grinders and 12 grind settings for rich taste and 5 aroma strength options. SilentBrew Technology, immerse yourself in the delightful aroma of your coffee with SilentBrew Technology, reducing machine sounds by 40%. Intuitive display, tailor your coffee experience with a simple display, adjusting strength, coffee length, and milk volume. Save your preferences in 2 user profiles for personalized convenience.
Top 2.
DeLonghi Magnifica Start Automatic Espresso Machine with Manual Milk Frothing, Silver. 3 one-touch recipes with color icons, Espresso, Coffee, Americano. Built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings. Traditional milk frother to easily prepare perfectly textured foam with milk and milk alternatives. Removable and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. With the Magnifica Start, enjoying an authentic espresso experience is simple. This espresso machine features a simple, easy-to-navigate design, making it the perfect machine for both beginners and aficionados alike. Featuring 3 preset recipes, espresso, coffee, and Americano.
Top 3.
KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine KF8 with milk attachment and plant-based milk options, CAS 8558SX, stainless steel. Create personalized drinks with a touch of a button and choose from 40+ recipe options like espresso, Americano, latte, cappuccino, and more. Removable bean hopper allows you to simply twist and lift to easily remove the bean hopper to empty, exchange or refill with fresh beans to suit your taste. The Clean Me indicator light alerts you when the espresso machine requires a cleaning cycle, and the cleaning cycle is programmable for varying water hardness levels. From whole milk to plant-based, simply fill up the included milk container with your favorite milk and automatically create personalized milk drinks with the dual drink delivery system. Automatic milk frothing and heating feature gives you the exact amount of milk needed with the push of a button.
Top 4.
Gaggia Anima Coffee and Espresso Machine, includes steam wand for manual frothing for lattes and cappuccinos with programmable options. Black, too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. Manual frothing for milk-based drinks, Panarello steam wand for frothing milk. Programmable brewing options for espresso and espresso lungo. Temperature control, 3 different temperature settings. Min/177.5 degree F, Med/182.9 degree F, Max/184.5 degree F. Easy access to water reservoir and bean hopper, features a removable 60 ounces water reservoir that can be accessed on the top left of the machine, and an 8.8 ounce capacity bean hopper with access from the top right of the machine.
Top 5.
DeLonghi Eletta Explore Fully Automatic Espresso Machine with Cold Brew, 1250 watts. 50 plus hot and cold recipes including espresso, cappuccino, latte, iced cappuccino, iced latte, cold brew, and more at the touch of a button. Built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings for freshly ground coffee with any beans of your choice. Hot and cold foam technology. The Latte Crema hot system textures milk or your favorite milk alternatives to perfection for your favorite classic espresso beverages, latte, cappuccino, etc. The Latte Crema cool system delivers velvety milk cold foam at the ideal temperature for iced drinks. Enjoy cold brew in under 3 minutes with DeLonghi's proprietary cold extraction technology. 3.5 TFT full touch, colorful display and soft touch control icons to quickly filter between recipes for simple and intuitive selection.
Top 6.
Zulay Kitchen Magia Super Automatic Espresso Machine with Grinder, Espresso Maker with Milk Frother and Insulated Milk Container Cappuccino and Latte Machine, Touch Screen, 19 recipes, 10 profiles. Cafe quality coffee at home. Why go to a coffee shop when you have this fully automatic coffee machine that can make any coffee just the way you love? Our Luxe Espresso machine is programmed with 19 specialty drinks, brewed fresh at the touch of a button. Making espresso, americano, cappuccino, latte, or flat white has never been this simple. Your very own at-home barista. Built-in grinder. Bring out the rich and aromatic flavor of coffee beans with this coffee machine with grinder. Make it light or strong by adding coffee beans into the bean hopper, 250G capacity, and adjusting the conical burr grinder to achieve coarse grains or fine coffee powder. You can also use pre-ground coffee by putting 1/8 cups of powder into the chute. Top 7. Philips 3300 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, 5 beverages, intuitive touch display, classic milk frother, SilentBrew, 100% ceramic grinder, AquaClean filter. New milk frother, easily prepare your favorite milk-based coffees in only 2 steps. The classic milk frother prepares silky smooth milk froth for your cappuccinos or hot milk for your hot chocolates. Easy coffee selection, easily select your favorite drinks thanks to the modern touchscreen display with colored icons. 5 beverages, espresso, espresso lungo, coffee, iced coffee, and hot water. Easy customization. Adjust your coffee your way with the My Coffee Choice function. Choose your preferred coffee strength, length, and milk froth level, just to your taste. SilentBrew, quietly prepare aromatic coffee with our industry-leading SilentBrew technology. Top 8. DeLonghi Magnifica SECAM 22.110.B, coffee maker with milk frother, automatic espresso machine with 2 hot coffee drinks recipes, soft touch control panel. Espresso machine with grinder, Enjoy high-quality coffee in every cup as the machine grinds the beans fresh, right before brewing. Includes a 250g bean container and a case for pre-ground coffee. Grinding technology. Integrated grinding technology for freshly ground beans with adjustable grinding level, conical steel grinders calibrated with 100% accuracy. The freshest coffee. The machine's technology grinds the exact amount of beans, leaving no residual coffee in the unit, ensuring your next cup is just as fresh. Temperature control. The long high thermo block system brews your coffee at the ideal temperature. It does this by only heating the water required for each beverage.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.